Hi, welcome to the Grab channel. I'm Glory and in today's video we're going to be customizing this glass can cup using some matte vinyl sticker paper and holographic laminate. Now I'm going to measure my cup so I know the size that I'm going to make the cup wrap. So I can make it like 9.5 inches of width and 4.5 inches of height. I'm here in Silo Studio and I'm already open the design that I'm going to use. I'm going to size it down because we're going to make it 9.4 inches of width and 4.3 or 5 inches of height. Now, because we're going to print and cut this design, I'm going to change the media size to the A4 size, that is the size of the sticker paper of Tech Wrap. I'm going to turn my design like this, and I'm going to turn on the registration marks. And now we can send to print and then cut. The settings that I'm using for cutting my sticker sheet with the laminate is 34/4, passes 2, speed 5, and blade depth 6. Here I have my design printed. Now I'm going to place the laminate on top of the sheet. Now let's send to cut. Now that I have my design, I'm going to take out this part of the design. And now I'm going to take the transfer tape and place it on top. Now let's take out the backing paper. Now let's place the design on our glass can. Let's do it carefully. Let's do it carefully so we don't get any bubbles on our design. Now let's see the result. And here's the final result of our glass can with the grab. Look how beautiful. If you like today's project, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye!